mu'jiza is a miraculous happening through the decree of Allah, through the power of Allah on the hands of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mu'jiza is something that happens to subjugate the intelligence of the next person. It compels the next person to believe that this is what is happening is certainly reality, and it is a reality. This is mu'jiza. That's why in Arabic it makes the next person ajiz. It makes him helpless. His intellect becomes helpless, and it has to believe that this is only happening through the power of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not in human control. It's not like what a magician is doing. A magician, he casts a spell. So in reality the thing is not happening, but the person feels that this is happening. Mu'jiza, it happens in reality. After this, a person has no excuse left not to believe in the prophethood. Then if a person rebels, and if a person says, I still do not believe, which means then is total ignorance and total rebellion against the true message of the Prophet of the time. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also brought many mu'jizat with him, and he performed many which we discussed last week. If we look into the life of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not only with human beings, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam communicated, we said, with animals as well. At times the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam communicated with things that we believe to be dead, or things that can never speak, for example trees.